Don't shoot me. Hold on.
I messed up my entire clip. The heck? Was this the one? Wait, is this the 1% chance call? Did I just get it? I just got it. Haha.